Hello students, uh, test series CS1 and its test ID is 110011. Okay, question number 65. What is the question? We have given denomination of some passe coins are given, like denominations are given. Denominations, 2 passe coins are there. Then 5 paise coins are there. Similarly 10, 25 and 50 paise coins are given. This is given, okay. And what is the question is asking, what will be the minimum number of coins required paying exactly 82 paise, okay, 82 paise, then 69 paise, then rupee 1.11 to 3 different persons. So we have to find the minimum value minimum number of coins required to pay all these values, not together but separately, like for 69 paisa how much coin is required, 82 paisa how much coin is required, for rupees 1.1 how much coins are required of these denominations, and total how much is required, and that should be minimum. If I start with 69 paise, okay, just check. If we check for 50, if we go for 50, then we take 25. If we go for 50 into 1, that is will be okay. Then if we go with 25, then that will be 75. So this thing will not be accepted. This is accepted, but this is not accepted. So 50 is okay. One coin of 50 can be take. Then we will see, like 10 we can take or not. If it is 10, then it will be 60. So it can be taken. Now 5, it will be 65. So this can be taken, okay, fine. And 2 paise, so how much is left? 4 paisa is left, so it will be 2. So total how much coins came? So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus 2, 5 coins. So for 69 paisa 5 coins are required. Now for 82 paisa we will see same thing, 82 paise, okay. 50 we can take, fine. A 150 paise coin we can take, fine. Now 25, it will be 75, so this can be taken. Now 10 into 1 how much it will be? It will be 85, so this cannot be taken. Then it will be 5 into 1, then it was 75, so 80 it can be taken. Now 2, so it will be 1, so this can be taken. So total how much coin is there? 4 coins, okay. Now we have rupee 1.11, fine. So again same thing, 50 paise coins we can take, okay, like 2 coins, because 1 rupee will come, 2 coins we will take, so it can be taken. Now 25, no, we cannot take. Then 10 we cannot take, because it is 10 we cannot take, fine, because minimum is required. We can, if then 5 paise we can take, because it will be okay. And 2 coins, 2 rupees, 3 coins we can take, fine. So it will be 6 plus 5, 11 and 1 rupee, so it will be 1.11. This will be 11 paisa and that will be 1 rupee, so it will be 1.11. So total number of coins will be 6. So it is total, so minimum number of coins required will be how much? Minimum number of coins will be how much? That is will be 5, 4, 9 plus 6, 15 coins. So answer will be C. Thank you.